Hi everyone, where are we going today? We're going to go to a cafe to eat souffle pancake. It's a fluffy pancake. Okay, let's go down. We're gonna walk to the cafe. And why are you walking to the cafe?
Because Dad's using the car.
Yes, because Dad's using the car and we only have one car. That way. We're almost there. あともうちょっとだよ。頑張ってるね。To the right, there's Down to Earth, which is an organic and natural grocery store. 右側には Down to Earth っていうオーガニックとかナチュラル系のものを扱ってるスーパーがあります。And then there's H Mart, another grocery store. その先には H マートっていうアジア系のものを扱ってるスーパーがあります。And then if we go further down, there's the cafe that we want to go to. This cafe is in the Kaka'ako district, which has a lot of art murals. このカフェはカカアコっていう地区にあって、カカアコにはたくさんアートウォールがあります。Do you see artwork, Kento? そこにあるね。There's another piece of art right here. Lots of artwork. And that looks like a pool. It's a fountain. We're almost there. あともうちょっと。It's our first time going to this cafe, Tea Mix. What do you want, Kento? The brown sugar boba souffle pancake? So the souffle pancake takes 20 minutes to make. スフレパンケーキは作るのに20分かかるそうです。Let's order one pancake and one tea with no boba. パンケーキ一つとボバなしの飲み物一つ。A fruit iced tea. Fruit oolong tea. $6.75 for a large. Choose your sweetness level. 25%? Yes. Hi, can I have one fruit oolong tea, 25% sugar level? No. Thank you. And one brown sugar boba souffle. For here, please. And can you do the grapefruit smoothie without the cheese foam? Can I do 0% sugar for that? Okay, yes, thank you. When do you make the pancakes? Like in the morning or?
When you make this one?
Yeah.
Probably 20 minutes ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sort of curious about how you make it. I want to see it. Okay, thank you. Can you tell me what this is? これは何ですか? Brown sugar boba souffle pancake. Look how jiggly it is. Puru-puru. And grapefruit smoothie with no milk foam. No cheese foam. And fruit oolong tea, 25% sugar. Time to eat?
味しい。
Boba, it's fluffy. Is the boba warm?
Yeah.
It's warm boba. How about the pancake? Is it warm? The pancake isn't that warm.
Not very.
You think it can be breakfast food? 朝ごはんにも食べれる？
もっちりしてる。
2枚あるんだ。There's two pancakes. これすごい。It's not sweet. I like it.
I don't like
I know. I think a lot of people won't like it. It goes well with a sweet souffle pancake. How about the fruit oolong tea? This looks nice. There's lilikoi, grapefruit, lemon, watermelon, strawberry, lime, apple. It's the perfect size for the three of us. 3人にはちょうどいいサイズ。Yeah, you two are eating all of it. Because, see, there's something for everyone.
美味しい。
It's good. It's just 25% sugar. So how do you like this place? Good. Thumbs up. Kendra, how about you? Do you like this place? Do you like this place? Yeah? Should we come again? Do you want to come every day?
Yes.
毎日来たい Yeah?
やったー。
But for tea, I think it's okay. It's a little pricey. ちょっと高いけどね。Are you stealing my drink? 美味しい氷。
あげられない氷が固まってる。
We're gonna walk home.